Good morning and welcome to this video. Today we are going to do a little bit of practice following the theory. We are going to try to configure an Ionic project without Angular. To do this, we recreate an Ionic project via Angular, and what we are going to do now is delete all the content. So I delete, and I'm just going to add a file that will be called index.html. And in this file, I'm going to enter the HTML skeleton by typing !. This will take me out of the talk type, and I'm going to change the language. And entity, I'm going to write budget plan. Now, as a first simple fake application, I want to build a budget plan, a list that allows us to add expenses and calculate our total expenses. Now, why I'm using this without Angular? Because although we are using Angular for the rest of the course, one of the great things about this Ionic web component is that it also works without any framework. I want you to understand, and I want to focus only on Ionic. You don't even have a slight idea that Angular could be the purpose or that Angular could do anything here, because we won't be using in this simple application, but we will be using without worry in the rest of this course. So here I just want to use Ionic, and we can do that. To do this, you will need to go to ionicframework.com. In the Docs tab, via the installation, you will go to Package and CDN. Now here you have learned how to add Ionic to an Angular application, but you will also find this CDN link that you can add to any HTML file to include the Ionic package and the embedded Ionic web component. You should add it here at the end of your main section, so I copy and paste it. However, you don't just need the JavaScript package, you will also want some default style, which is why you have a link attaching the CSS. Now that we have the style and the JavaScript code, we are ready to use the Ionic components. This video is coming to an end. See you in the next video for the rest.